I know that many of you are interested in the Nintendo Switch. I thought I would give some quick impressions, not from a review unit as I have not been provided one, but from a vivid dream I had last night. Graphics, capable of showing the infinite undulating energy of the universe, even in the CPU throttling mobile mode. Better than expected. Controller. My unit was not furnished with Joy-Cons that slide into the sides of the tablet. Instead, I had to grasp the hands of a child singing a tuneless nursery rhyme. The feel of the controller was clammy. Library. The only two titles provided were The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild and a video that shows you exactly how you die. Both were hilarious. Battery life? Spiders. Spiders und Spiders.